If you are using the latest and easy website editor of Squarespace, the Fluid engine for website creation, please do not forget to review the mobile page layout before publishing the website. You can see here that in computer layout of the Squarespace website editor, each heading is on the top of the section. However, in mobile phone layout, it has changed the position of blocks, sending heading to the bottom of the section. Fluid Engine Editor has also sent the video or the image below the website button. The Fluid Engine Editor has also decreased the size of the text block. The Fluid Engine has also destroyed the shape and dimension of the image. The actual shape of the original image should be looked like this. To solve this issue, please open the mobile layout of your Squarespace website and rearrange the blocks by dragging and dropping. Now you can watch while I fix the position of heading, body text, button, image and video blocks in Squarespace Fluid Engine Editor. If we compare classic editor with Fluid Engine Editor of the Squarespace, the Fluid Engine Editor is easy to use, but it also has some limits. Please note that spacer block is not available in Squarespace Fluid Engine. Instead of using the drag and drop feature, you can also use the up and down arrows for quickly rearranging the text, button or image blocks within a section. for any changes in rearrangement of blocks in mobile view will not affect your design in computer layout of the Squarespace website. However, if you add or remove some text or change text color, it will globally affect content in the computer website too. You can discuss the Fluid Engine editor of Squarespace in the comments under this video. You can watch our next videos about website creation in Squarespace website builder. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. Thank you so much for your time.